What's up guys, कैसे हो? Eleonaro, hope everyone is doing great. You know, there are two types of people. The very organized ones who don't misplace their things. They keep them organized properly inside a cupboard, inside a drawer. But there is a second type, that is someone like me. I just throw my things here and there, not to keep it messy, but you know, I believe in something. If I throw my things just on the desk or on the bed like that, which is very bad, one good thing is I can find them easily. I just put it open like that and I can find it very easily, and it works out for me. Now the reason I'm telling you this is actually I'm trying to find something that I hid it like properly, and I'm not able to find it since the last 2 days. You remember I bought a SSD, a SanDisk, and the last time I've seen it is when I took it to Dehradun. Usually I take in this particular bag, I put all my electronic gadgets and all that stuff inside. Even this camera goes into this bag. But somehow I'm not able to find my external hard disk, the SSD, and that's irritating me. You know what? Check out this bag. I searched everything. All these small things are basically partitions. For example, this is a big partition where you can put this and make a smaller partition like this, which is very fancy and good. I was trying to find this entire, all the zips are empty. I didn't understand what's happening. And then it was hidden here. You see this? After 2 days, I found it in this bag, and I searched this bag like multiple times. I couldn't find it. Freaking irritating. One more thing which is very irritating is growing long hair. Now my hair is grown a little bit longer, and now because recently I have COVID, I'm not even following any diet and all that, which means healthy hair is growing because I'm not in caloric deficit. Anyways, I don't want to bore you with that subject again. In simple terms, because I'm eating properly above my maintenance calories, no hair loss is happening. And you know one thing, if you want to maintain long hair, your hair becomes brittle and it keeps breaking easily. So when you want to grow long hair, it is important to take special care of it with something like Mamaearth's Rice Water Shampoo. We have 3 products in this rice range: rice hair oil, the rice water shampoo, and the rice water conditioner. And this range specializes in maintaining and strengthening your long hair. You know, it is considered as a miraculous ingredient for the health of one's hair. Basically, fermented rice water makes the hair stronger, longer, and shinier. It reduces hair breakage. It's not just infused with rice water, but also with keratin. Keratin is a form of protein that strengthens your hair, and it reduces the frizz. It also contains hydrolyzed wheat protein, and it helps in making your hair longer. Do you know the story about Yao woman's 6 feet long and strong and shiny hair? It's a proper Guinness Book record for it. There is this village, and it's called the world's longest hair village. You know, these women have been using this rice water for their hair since generations, and rice has been their secret ingredient for hair care. India being the second largest producer of rice, yet we don't use the secret ingredient for hair care. Give a rice water shampoo a try. It reduces split ends, it prevents hair breakage, and it gives you silky smooth hair. As of date, Mamaearth has planted 100,000 trees and it's still counting. And also I keep saying it's plastic positive. 1135 metric tons of plastic recycled. They have also distributed 50,000 sanitizers and 20,000 cloth masks to all the COVID heroes. Also now Mamaearth has come up with their own app. You get early access to sales, and hence you get extra discounts. All the links will be in the description box below. And also, as you guys know, Mamaearth products are all chemical free. They're all made up of natural ingredients. You can use my coupon code Shriman2021, get flat 20% off at Mamaearth. Also the products are available on Mamaearth, Flipkart, and Amazon. I mean, next what I need to do is clean up all this mess, because though I said I throw my things here and there, some of the things should be clean on your table so that you have that positive feeling, you have that clean feel. Keep your work table, workplace organized. Ghar pe chalta hai, but not in your office, okay? That is in case you're going to office now in this COVID situation. Okay, now Shriman Kotaru has got a brand new bike, but the next important thing to do is start building accessories for it, start buying accessories for it. Unfortunately, all the accessories for BMW minimum cost starts from 12,000 to 15,000 on average, minimum. Usse kam nothing you'll get. Maybe you'll get some stickers or something like that. Even a wrap for this bike, a proper BMW pre-cut wrap that you have to import from the UK, that itself costs you somewhere around 14,000. Not the entire set. I'm talking only about the tank and the windshield. I'm also getting the panniers and top box. Iska deal I'll tell you later. Something nice is happening for me. Anyways, here's the BMW 1250 GS. Don't say GS here, remember this, we have to call it GS Adventure. This is how it is pronounced anywhere in the world, it seems. Man, it looks so beautiful. Look at it. Nice color I chose. White, blue. I mean, this is very subjective, but for me, what I really like about this bike is the way it looks. It's proper BMW colors and golden rims. Amazing. Bike properly stands out. Anyways, right now as you can see, I'm ready. I'm going to get the bike wrapped in PPF. Otherwise, you'll have sleepless nights. You see all this beautiful looking paint job. This has to be protected at any cost, and especially this one, because when you properly travel on this bike, you'll have a lot of scratches on it. So it's better you cover it with proper PPF. And look at this. This is like very huge. I'll be covering the windshield with the PPF, maybe the headlight with PPF. Of course, I'm gonna get a grill for this as well. Apart from this, even the beak is gonna get covered, and mainly this tank is gonna get covered. Maybe this part I'll be leaving because this looks sturdy a little bit compared to the rest of the shiny parts. Abhi to it looks very hot. Right now time is around 10:40. Reason I'm leaving right now is so that it is cool now. Abhi to temperature hoga 25-26 degrees, but if I leave in the afternoon, it's proper. Nowadays it's not 40 degrees, but it's around 37-38, which is cool. Chalo abhi bahut ho gaya. I'll see you in the GoPro mode. Are you ready for the new dash? 3, 2. You know, every half an hour temperature is increasing, like half a degree at least. Oh yes. Are you guys excited? Are you ready to see the new dash? No more keys. We just need to touch things. Full fancy stuff. Whoa. So happy about it, dude. Right now this is at the lowest setting. You can actually open it up by at least, I think, 3 to 4 inches up. City mein, I think the lowest setting will be good, and you can do it on the go. I really like the way the Boxer Twin wobbles when you start it up. Chalo, the only BMW of Malkajgiri hamara area mein. The other day while coming, I literally put like, "Arey yaar, Dunaput. Tiger hai Dunaput ante iddan amma." Oh yes, ready to rock and roll. Woohoo! Oh yes, after the delivery that day, today is the first day I'm taking the bike out. You know what? Seriously, I forgot that I have this bike yesterday morning. Suddenly Pooja opened the door and I was like, woo! We have a BMW in the house. I actually forgot. Chalo, I'm going to this place called Wrap Style, who's gonna wrap my bike in the PPF. Very important, like I told you. Previously we did not have all this kind of technology, but we have it now, so why not utilize it? Basically like a proper thick laminate over the paint. It's called paint protection film. This place is around 30 kilometers from my house. Ek acha kasa ride ho jayega aaj. 60 kilometers ride ho jayega aaj. There is a lot, like a ton to talk about this bike. Abhi se pura BMW pe hoga videos. As we keep doing more and more videos, I'll keep explaining each and every point about this bike. Abhi to quickly, what I want to tell is, this bike feels, I told you, right, it feels light and all. Comparing it to the Tiger, which is a proper road variant, I don't know, it gives you that SUV feel. First of all, it is very tall, and it is at its lowest setting, and the suspension setup is at its lowest, and already it feels very tall. I can see every car stop. Everyone, all the bikers around me are like very short. Tall feeling is there. Tiger is to be a little bit short, obviously, but then it was very stable at 60-70 kilometers an hour. This bike, it jumps, maybe because of the super long travel suspension, and also because it's a proper adventure bike. More like a SUV feel. How do I tell you? It is like a, you know, it has body roll, and the Tiger is like a proper sedan car. Okay, obviously you'll be hearing a lot of Tiger versus BMW comparison now from now onwards, because it is very natural. Obviously I've been riding the Tiger for the last 3 to 4 years, and now we have a BMW. Obviously no comparison. This is like a, there's double that price, and also everything is double in this, so actually no comparison. But just for fun, let's keep comparing. There's a 200, and I'm not sure about the specs exactly, but I think it is 230-240 kilos. That is when I put like 30 liters of fuel. I don't think I'll be doing it in the city. Even if you put like 30 liters, you're not going to feel the weight, because the center of gravity of this bike is next level. You can literally balance this bike. You can ride it aram se with one hand. Don't do that in the city, but just showing a small quick demonstration. You will get a ton of attention from everywhere possible. So, you know, every bike is different. Anna, no, it's a sudden Deepak. Look at this bike to flick. It's nice. Nice next level balance hai bike mein. See this, man. Lovely. And it's so confidence inspiring. Chalo, it is getting hot. Bike shows 35 degrees now. I don't know, German accuracy correct hai, nahi to UK ka accuracy is correct, because Tiger used to show
at least 1 degree lesser than all the other bikes in the group. But yeah, it feels like 35 degrees right now. I thought highest is gonna be 35. Abhi time to 10:30, 11 o'clock ho gaya, and now it shows 35 degrees. Pretty manageable. Only problem is we are wearing a woolen balaclava. I don't know when I'm gonna change this shit. I'm like sweating like a pig inside. It doesn't matter how much ever you spend on a bike, you don't get air conditioning. I know there are bikes with air conditioning. Maybe I think in the Goldwing or something I heard, but I don't know how effective it's gonna be. Obviously it's open, not enclosed. But yeah, that is one advantage of having even a 2 lakh rupee car. You'll definitely have air conditioning in it. But yeah, that is what differentiates a bike from a car, right? Because it's always about 4 wheels move your body, 2 wheels move your soul. And that's so true. Itna pleasure kidhar aayega car mein. Though it is like hot, traffic is manageable. I think I should be there in the next 35-40 minutes. This is a dream. Itna khali, this flyover, that too. Don't jinx it, Sriman. Whenever you say something like this, it turns out to be opposite. But yeah, seriously, at this hour, 11 o'clock is like a proper peak hour here, especially near parade grounds. I think today is my lucky day. Oh yes, I think it is this lane. How do I remember? Because this is Pooja's office right here. And our app style should be somewhere over here. Anyways, I'll be putting a Google Maps link. I'll put. I think it is this one. Yes. There you go. Wrap style. Oh, ride has been pretty cool. Did I come fast or did the bike make me feel like that? Abhi fancy. Just click it. It's gonna lock. Little fancy, you know. Hello, Cruise here. Chaitanya is here. The R90, the Mission Impossible guy, Tom Cruise. YouTuber. Our gang's Tom Cruise. YouTuber, what? Influencer. Influencer. Where is your bike, bro? You took the delivery the next day.
Actually, I had to take the same process at a different shop.
Actually, he took this delivery on the same day as me. No, next day. You took it the next day. That was yesterday, basically. But I didn't see the bike till now. I saw your bike in the showroom.
I barely saw it, dude. I removed it.
First I sat there, and then your bike was there behind me. I was thinking it's a 310 GS because it's so too.
I know, it's very small.
Then,
dude, everything looks small in front of this, man.
This is a buffalo. Especially if you see it from here. See, except the tank, nothing else is huge on this, except the tank.
I think these seats are also quite big. You don't see it now.
Oh, they are very comfortable, but sofa, proper sofa cushion.
But I feel like somehow they could have given a larger wheel.
Then the dynamics of the bike changes completely, riding dynamics.
But just proportionally, the rear wheel seems a bit small.
Small, yes, bike. That is there. 19 inches.
It'll be 19.
Actually, I don't know. Yes, 19.
So then rear is probably 17 or 18?
I think 17.
17.
So Pro BMW
like 18 maybe.
knows everything.
Like our 850s have larger wheels for the off-roading.
Because yours is a proper off-roader.
So it has 21 in the front, which is too skinny. It looks too skinny. Rear is good.
That's good for off-roading.
Yeah, it's good.
One thing people think that when it's a 1250 GSA, you have to do off-road and stuff like that. It's not like that. 850 GS is meant for off-road.
Yeah.
These bikes are proper cruisers. At least I feel that. Where will you go off-road with such a huge bike, dude? 230, 240 kilos?
I think there's a difference between how the international market sees these bikes and how India sees these
They do
bikes.
it internationally.
For the Indian roads, yeah, these are like tourers essentially.
Proper tourers.
Yeah.
This is like, I would say it is a very comfortable adventure tourer.
Yeah.
No, it is a cruiser with a better ground clearance. It is a cruiser with a better ground clearance.
Very simple, it will go anywhere.
Oh yes, that is what we need.
It's a go anywhere bike. Emundra padda vadu ikkada daaskunta ingo. You will just you'll just hide yourself here. The bike will protect you.
Mottam body anta daasi pettochu ikkada. So PPM job is almost started. So what I'm doing is I'm going to cover this part. Chaitanya Singh will cover this part. The only thing is, as you can see, this is a matte finish. But when you put PPF on it, it might become glossy like this.
It's true. I think we'll compromise the look of the bike, but I think right now protection is more important.
Double extra petti konna mari color. We need it to look like a BMW.
You need to preserve the factory finish. You'll never get this finish ever again.
See, for me it is only about day 1, day 2. After 2-3 months, after one big ride, I'll be like, light.
Then why are you getting it done now?
First 2 days.
First 2 days, kara.
Also this part we're gonna cover with PPF. Yes, it came out. Actually, it was very difficult to remove because your screwdriver doesn't go here. You need BMW screwdrivers and all that. But then they managed to remove this. Where is that?
Yeah.
This panel. They could remove that and they could remove this windshield. That is the most important thing to be covered because that is the thing that gets lot of scratches. The Tiger ka windshield is like full on mosquitoes on it. ఇప్పుడు చూస్తే నాకు తెలిసి చిన్న డైనోసార్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. Prehistoric time లో this last.
Carbon dating చేస్తారా? So what are you doing with the Tiger?
I'm gonna sell it.
Okay.
Any interested
Did you start the process?
I have a couple of offers for it.
What are you
Negotiations
hoping
going
to
on.
get for it?
7 along with the pioneers and top
7?
box.
దాని మీద ఆటోగ్రాఫ్ పెట్టరా 11కి పోతుంది పెట్టరా
పెట్టి నీకే అమ్ముతా. I should show that I'm getting into the car kada. Otherwise
sorry.
story miss అవుతుంది.
Okay, so where are we going for lunch?
Are you treating me or am I treating you? Two BMW owners.
నీకు ఇస్తలేరా యూ పాస్ట్ కోవిడ్ ఆల్సో సో ట్రీట్ యూ
Correct.
ఎక్కడ పోదాం దాన్ని
Successfully
బట్టి
we
ఎట్లీస్ట్ పోదాం అది
fought COVID warrior. I can cheat also, so no issues. So Chaitanya, what all are you ordering for your bike? Any accessories? Because you know this is a tradition. Once you get your bike, next thing to do is get accessories for it.
I'm kind of scared to be honest because
Why?
I think for the R90 there's an unlimited amount of modifications
Oh
you
yes,
can do.
customization next level. Yes.
And I know Manu's watching this, so I don't want to tell.
You know
I'm
what?
going to do-
Morning when I told Pooja I'm going out on work, she didn't even ask where. She said, "Are you going to do something to your bike?" Started. మొన్న బైక్ కొన్నావు ఇప్పుడు స్టార్ట్ చేసినావా ఫర్ కపుల్ ఆఫ్ డేస్ ఐ నో యూ గోనా డూ దిస్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ బైక్ రిపేర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ ఫర్ బైక్ దిస్
Couple of days endra.
ఫర్ ఎవర్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్ టిల్ ఐ గెట్ ద నెక్స్ట్ బైక్
At
అగైన్
least 1 year minimum you keep
minimum
doing
1 year
something.
that accessory this accessory wo torque nahi
It's part of the
hua
fun of owning these bikes, you know,
Yes,
you
yes.
get to make it yours and all that.
yeah
For the R90, first thing I need to do is get a tail tidy.
Okay.
So a lot of things I don't like about the bike as well. I like from start. it's
నీకు
not a-
అన్ని నచ్చితే నిన్ను చేతనే ఎందుకు అంటారా అంత మంచి బైక్ ఇచ్చిన ఏదో ఒకటి బాగుంది
See, this bike, I describe it as perfectly imperfect. చూడరా feel it. ఒకసారి feel చేయి.
నీతో
Let it
కూర్చున్నందుకు
sink in.
ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాను
Let it
నేను
sink in.
దిగిపోతా
Let it sink in. The tail light sucks. It's like the standard tail light that BMW puts for all of their
oh yes
bikes.
that I know yeah
Which looks good maybe on the touring bikes, but not on the R90. And I want to move the license plate onto the rear axle.
right side
Right side, like Harley's.
oh that looks nice
Like Harley's.
That is
I
one
want
good
to do
modification,
that.
yeah.
Second thing I want to do, get a rear curl.
that means Manu can't sit Manu
So,
watching
so I have a
He's
contract.
removing your seat.
I have a contract with Manu that I'm not going to remove the pillion seat for 1 year. But what she doesn't know is that they're very easily swappable. The
Oh.
cowl and the.
so by the
seat.
time she comes back from
It's just
office
a
you'll swap it
It's just a single screw. I remember seeing this bike in that Mission Impossible movie. That was one of the first times I saw this bike and I googled it and tried to figure out what bike this is. And when I was in New York, I would see these bikes in Brooklyn. When I went to Barcelona, R90 was everywhere.
oh yeah
Like almost like every lane, every gully had an R90.
R90
Mostly scrambler variants.
అంటే
but they had
బేసిక్
the
గా అక్కడ
scrambler
స్ప్లెండర్ అనమాట అది
variant. చెప్పురా
మనం ఎక్కడ పోతున్నాం సీరియస్ గా
We're going to Jonathan's kitchen.
ఇటేనా
Yeah.
ముందే నీకు నాకు రూట్ పెట్టావా మ్యామ్
Exactly.
that's like a lot of food I could see a cut show me ఏ కండలు వస్తున్నాయి oh yes నైస్ షేడ్ పడుతుంది కరెక్ట్ గా
Graphic.
గ్రాఫిక్స్
Adjust for.
చాలా రా మస్తు కనిపిస్తున్నాయి సూషీ సమ్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ సూషీ పేర్లు కష్టము
Cajun fish.
కేజన్ ఫిష్
Focaccia. Bread and cheese.
బ్రెడ్ అండ్ చీజ్ కాదు కానీ ఇట్ ఇస్ సంథింగ్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్ నేమ్ చికెన్ సాటే సిలాంట్రో చికెన్
So
like a ton of food.
Zishan, this is mine. That's his.
Yeah, all the things that you
Arey,
see
look
which
at
are
the-
lean. What is this
అంటే
tasting?
just a taste testing.
Taste tasting. This looks like a proper food blog now. All the grill stuff is mine. And actually, I'm also cheating a little bit today. On occasion of BMW. 2 BMWs. You see this kind of weather here in Hyderabad? Why is this happening?
Shades తీసేద్దాం మరి
Only-
మంచిగా ఉంటుంది.
See who is wearing shades. US returned fellow is wearing shades. He's wearing shades and driving in cloudy weather. That is raining now. But I don't understand one thing. Sriman Kodar has come out with the adventure tourer. It started raining. Look at this. Full chikat అయిపోయింది.
Arey, I would have sprayed some water on the windshield for effect, but not.
అది fake కింద తెలుస్తుంది.
But నాకు low washer fluid ఉంది.
నేను అన్ని లో ఉంటాయి. మళ్ళీ నేను అన్నా అంటే you always criticize my car అంటూ. There is low water, there is low battery, high AC sound, only sound, no gali.
Look at that pull.
అది కూడా లేకపోతే అమ్మేస్తారు కార్ని.
Look at that pull.
అది మా ఆల్టోలో కూడా ఉంటుంది. గ్రోసరీ షాపింగ్ చేయించాడు నాతో ఇప్పుడు. ఇంత పెద్ద లిస్ట్ దాంట్లో సగం నాకు ఇచ్చాడు, నువ్వు తీసుకురా అని. ఎట్లా రావాలి? చైతన్య, వాట్ ఈస్ దిస్ చైతన్య? హౌ డు ఐ గో బ్యాక్ హోమ్? Sriman bike తీస్తే చాలు. It should rain like this. ये तूफान हो रहा seriously. That to May 3rd को तूफान क्या? What is this dude? I don't want to ride my bike in this tufan. I'll take a cab and go back home. Okay, back home. It was raining a lot, so I decided not to record anything. I put my GoPro inside and also I got really late. Anyways, the bike is here. PPF work is done. Now I feel much safer. At least we can avoid a little bit of scratches, especially on the... He's done a good job. Thank you for Upsell for doing this. You've done a really good job, especially on the windshield. Actually in the morning, next vlog I'll show you properly in the light. Abhita, it's already 8 o'clock. Wait. Oh, Naisha recognized the new bike already. Naisha, where's BMW? Where's BMW? Very good. Where's Triumph? She knows everything. Where is Triumph? Show Triumph. Oh yes. And where's Tiger? Yeah, Triumph is street twin and Tiger is... Where's Tiger? Oh yes. Nacho knows everything. Where's BMW? Very good. Can you make out this PPF on this bike? Obviously ये light में पता नहीं चलता, but maybe in daylight there are a little bit of bubbles which should go in the heat. Careful bro, if you fall from this height, no? Nice, very nice. You look like a tiny toy. A tiny toy on this huge bike. Exactly tank size. So I put PPF here as well. This blue part, entirely till here. This one. Here, like I told you, we're gonna get a grill. Later I'm gonna get proper pre-cut PPF. This will be a matte finish PPF and the rest will be glossy, which is what we need. Anyways, that's about it. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. In case you did, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Can you give the outro as well? Oh yes, she likes the bike. Good. Naisha approved. She sits on the street twin and now she's sitting on the BMW. Somehow she doesn't sit on the Tiger. She keeps screaming. No, you don't like the Tiger?